Today I'm going to show the dissection of eyeball. At the beginning I'll be showing the different parts of the eyeball. This is actually bull's eye or ox eye, you can see. So what you can see here is just remove from the cadaver, and here this transparent area, this is the cornea. Okay, this is cornea, and this is the limbus. Okay, this is conjunctiva covering the sclera. So this is roughly all covering by fascia bulbi, you can see completely. Okay, and there are some muscles you can see here attached to, okay, which are cut. These are some, this is also fascia. These are some muscles which, now what is this is the optic nerve. Okay, this is the optic nerve which will be coming out from the eyeball. That is, it is formed in the by the layers of the retina, isn't it? Then it will go to the brain. It is a sensory nerve. So you always see this optic nerve, and this is the cornea. So optic nerve will be towards the nasal side. Okay, nasal side, because optic canal is towards the medial side of the eyeball. So now I'll be showing dissection in two dissection. One I'll cut through the equator and I'll show the structures part by part, and another one I'll cut at the limbus, then I'll take a meridian cut. Okay. So I'm making a small nick here at the limbus area. Okay, this is the cornea as such. So you can see a white area inside, that is actually the pupil. Through the pupil you can see the lens there, and this dark area is the iris. Now once I remove this glass like cornea, you will see all the structures properly. Okay, look, as soon as you can see some water coming, zoom. As soon as I put water coming out, what is that water? Nothing but is the aqueous humor. Okay, of course here, because it is dipped in formalin, so some amount of formalin mixed water will come on. Now after I make the nick, I'll cut. Okay, I'm going round the limbus. So what you can see here is that nothing but the cornea. Okay, this is the cornea which is coming out. Okay, so now you see, this was the sclera covered with conjunctiva, this is iris, and this is the pupil. Okay, clear? Okay, boss. See, I have cut the whole cornea at the limbus. What you can see, this is the small opening called pupil, and this is the iris. Okay, I have left a little bit of cornea attached to the sclerocorneal junction. Okay, so this what I am feeling is the lens. Okay, now I'll take a meridian cut. Okay, I'll take a meridian cut this way, and I'll show you all the structures. What's happening? No problem. I have taken the cut like this, okay, through the sclera and the iris, and here lens is already loose, it has come out. Okay, this is the lens. Okay, so I don't know whether I'll be able to show you the sensory ligament. You can see the lens, it is actually very hard. Okay, it's very hard, and this side is more rounded compared to this side. Okay, now this is the anterior surface. So obliquely you will see. So anterior surface will be less convex than the posterior surface. That means posterior surface is more convex. Okay, and here these are actually, they will be attached to suspensory ligament at the corner. If there is any left, I'll show you. Now I'll take this cut through this up to the posterior angle. Pause. Pause.
Okay.
So now if I'm opening this, you can see this. Okay, can you see multiple layers? You can see here. Okay, one is this white one is the sclera. Then from the sclera, one black area is coming out. Can you see this black? This is nothing but choroid. Okay, and you hold it. So leave it with them. So this white one which I'm holding is the sclera. This one is the choroid. And can you see this magenta color here? Nice shiny. Focus. That area is the tapetum area. Okay, and this off-white area, off-white layer, this is retina. Okay, so this is retina, this is choroid, and this is sclera. 3 layers I have showed you. Now what is this jelly-like structure? Focus. So this jelly-like structure, look, it's like a ball, water ball, na? This is the vitreous body.
Start.
So this is sclera, and this dark color, okay, pigment layer. This is the choroid. Okay, here you will have the ciliary body. Already I showed you the iris, no, in front. This is the iris. Ciliary body will be here, and this whole layer which I am lifting, that is the choroid. Okay, and this shiny area is the tapetum. Okay, nice peacock green blue area, like that it looks like. And this off-white layer is nothing but retina. Okay, I have cut, that's why half is here. This is the retina. Then what is this? Choroid, and this is the sclera. Now in between this, you can see shiny jelly-like structure. Look, it is not going inside. My forceps is not going inside. That means what? It is little tight. So this whole thing is vitreous body, and vitreous body will be covered by a hyaloid membrane. Okay, and this is the cornea which I had cut. Lens was placed here like this. Okay, lens was placed here. It is now, since lens has come out, so I am not being able to show you the suspensory ligament. So I want to show you something. So lens was something like this. Okay, I'll remove the lens. So this vitreous body, I want to show you something. I can cut it actually. If I'm showing you, see, I can cut it like this. It is going only with the knife. It can cut. So it's, so this you can see. This is the. Can you hold it here, Kalpana? This side. So now I'd like to show you something. I'll take it out. So this is the iris. This is the iris. Okay, iris. Then this is sclerocorneal junction. Here you will have the ciliary body, and total this area. Total I'm taking out. This is the choroid. Okay, is it clear? Optic nerve is here. Look down below. Optic nerve is here. Now I'll try to remove the retina. You see where it is stuck. So the whole retina will come out. You see it is coming out. No, it is coming out. Here also it is coming out. Nicely you can scoop out actually. Pura retina. Because this is, so whole retina is coming out. Very soft. If I am using forceps, it is tearing. So this is what? Ciliary body continuing as choroid, and this is the retina. Whole retina is coming out, but except as the optic nerve area. Kalpana, hold once. It's very tight, sclera. So if I'm taking out this retina. It is not coming out from the east side. Look, it is not coming out in the optic nerve area. This is the optic nerve. This is optic nerve and it is getting stuck in the optic nerve area. So whole thing will come out. It's coming out, but it is not coming under the optic nerve area. Okay, so that shows what? All the nerves which are originating, all the nerve fibers originating in the retina will make up the optic nerve, and that is the lamina cribrosa. It is the most tender area of the sclera. So this is the area, okay, optic nerve area, and you get the optic disc. Pause. So now I'm taking out layer by layer. So I have removed the choroid from the sclera. I want to show you inside, and along with me coming is the retina. Okay, so retina, you can see it is separately coming, but what this white off-white layer is nothing but the inner 9 layers. The pigment layer of retina develops from mesoderm, so it will be with the choroid only. Okay, you cannot see that. That is only possible in the histology. So what I'm doing, I'm taking out the whole thing. Just hold it. I'll show you. So this shell, this hard shell is nothing but the sclera. Okay, so sclera is white, and this is the cornea. Now this is called sclerocorneal junction. Sclerocorneal junction. Okay, so this separate shell. So you understood, no? Sclera will continue as cornea in the beginning. In front. Okay, so I have cut out the whole shell. It is separately placed now. Now here I have put the other 2 layers. So this dark pigmented layer is the choroid. Okay, and here you see retina is attached. So retina is attached as ora serrata. Ora serrata in front. Okay, that is at the level of sclerocorneal junction. So if I lift, actually it's very fragile. So if I lift, it will break. So this layer is retina and this is choroid. Okay, and in between some amount of vitreous body is still there. You can see the vitreous body. So it is very difficult to separate the vitreous body actually. Vitreous body will be surrounded by the hyaloid membrane. Then you get the retina. So here whatever, because I punctured with the knife, that's why it has come out. So layer by layer I have placed it. This is the iris area, this is ciliary body area, and this is the ora serrata where the, okay, stop.
No.
Another specimen which I had dissected before. You see, this is the cornea. Okay, so this is the limbus area. So here you can see the iris very nicely, iris area, and this where you will have the ciliary body, and this is retina. Okay, this is the choroid, and if I lift up the choroid, you get the sclera. Okay, if I lift up the choroid, you get the sclera. Okay, so this is it. Stop. So if you focus properly, you can see some vessels, okay, very nicely it is coming out. So what does it mean? That means the vessels are piercing the sclera and entering the vascular cord. And what is vascular cord? That is the choroid, and this is the optic nerve. So exactly opposite this area, what you can see is here will be the blind spot in the retina. So retina is removed. Can you see this? So this is the area, lamina cribrosa of sclera. Okay, this one. Clear?
Start.
So this lens, no, what you see this? Okay. So anterior surface is less convex than the posterior surface, I told you, and posterior surface is lodged in the hyaloid fossa. Okay, rounded mode. So now I'll cut and I'll show you what is present in the lens. It's little tough. Okay, so it just feels like as if rice bowl if you make. So if you concentrate on the structure now, sorry. So this outer lining is the capsule of the lens. Okay, nice sheet you get. You can remove So this is the capsule. Then you get an epithelium, which you cannot see, of course, in naked eye. And inside you see all fibers, circular fibers, concentric. Even with naked eye you can see. इस तरह रहता है. Okay, chalo.
Start.
Now another eyeball I'll cut in the equator area, okay, and I'll show you the structures from the back side. One picture I showed you all. What you can see, the ciliary body and iris and choroid from back side. That one I'll do, okay. So I'm putting a cut here. So sclera, you can see even after cutting 2-3 times it is still not exposed. So this is what you can see is the fascia bulbi, and this is the sclera I'm coming to. You can see some fluid coming out. That fluid is nothing but the vitreous might have got cut. Okay, so it's little difficult. So when I did the meridian cut, you saw aqueous humor coming out, and it is already mixed with formalin. So I'm leaving a little area attached. I cut it like this, okay, round cut. Now I'm showing you the eyeball from inside. Okay, can you see this ball? This is what I wanted to show. Retina. Retina will be always. So what you can see, I have cut it like this. So this sclera, and deep inside you can see black. That means the choroid has separated. This white off layer, okay, this is the retina, and inside is the vitreous body. So that has come out separately. So this now again I'll do a little bit more. Completely it will come out. Okay. Retina has come out like a ball, but here you can see this is where it is getting stuck. Okay, this is where it is getting stuck. Okay, so exactly opposite of that, if I show you, here is the optic nerve. So this is the area, optic nerve, that is the optic disc will be there, where the starting of the optic nerve, where retina will be attached. So two areas, one is posteriorly optic disc area, where the beginning of the optic nerve, and rest of the retina will nicely come out, separate from the choroid, and another in front, it will be attached to the ora serrata. Okay, ora serrata. Inside it is ora serrata or sclerocorneal junction, this area. So all the three layers, sclera, choroid and retina, will be attached at the ora serrata. So it is not coming out. Now I have to scoop it out, then only it will come out. Okay, is it clear? Pause.
Start now.
So I'm cutting here at the ora serrata level, so that to separate the retina. Okay, slowly. Actually vitreous body also got cut in that same area. So it's not that easy. So you can see now when I'm cutting, it's getting stuck. It's like a jelly only, bread jam. You take now. So I'm cutting. You can cut it actually. Look, this is the ball which is coming out. Water ball you play in during. That they are stuck a little. It's not going down. Can you see the knife is not going down? It's the jelly. So what you see here, can you focus nicely now? See, this is the posterior surface, more rounded posterior surface of the lens, and this is the iris backside ciliary body. Okay, rough. Can you see it is rough? So like this lens is nahi gir raha hai. Why? Because it is attached by the ciliary body. So very fine. It will be like this here some. Okay. Can you see hair like structure?
It is like pearl, ma'am.
It's looking like a pearl. So backside you see now. Ikra focus check. Okay. So this is the lens posterior surface. This is the ciliary body which you can see. Rough. It is rough. If you feel it also, you can feel it. Feel karo. It's rough.
It's fine.
No? Rough, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Feel kar sakta hai. There also what? So these are pars plicata and pars plana will be here. Nicely rough. You can see now this. So this is what. Okay. So now once more, this is the vitreous body. Okay. This is retina, and what you can see here, this whole thing is choroid. Hold it here. And I'll show you this. What I'm holding with my right hand is the sclera. ये choroid है. Okay, this is choroid. Okay, this black one coming out is choroid, and this one is the sclera. So separately there I have put. So from backside I wanted to show you the lens, how it is stuck. So lens is stuck and it is supported by the highlight thing. This vitreous body already, still it is stuck. So ऐसा है ना, it will be supported by the highlight fossa, but it will be on the front little bit by iris also actually, but that is not an issue. So it's still stuck, means it is not falling. उल्टा नहीं गिर रहा है. See, it is not falling